Hello there, CryptoFight here. In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts with you about the game, the Fabled. So before we start, keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is just with an entertaining purpose. You should do your own research and make your own decisions. So after this short legal advice, let me share with you my thoughts, what I really think about the Fabled. I have spent a few hours researching about it, checking its pitch deck, website, social medias, and everything related to the project, so I can be able to give you the whole picture so you can make your own research and then, together with my information, make your final decision if you should invest or not in this project. So let me first start with the pitch deck. Honestly, this is the first pitch deck that I see that starts with its theme. For me, that can mean two things. First, they are truly proud of their team and their popular faces that should pique the interest of the potential investors from the first moment. Or second, the ego has played its game here. I don't know which one of these two is, but I don't think that this is the best idea to start your pitch deck with. But maybe I'm wrong. At the same time, there are no links on this slide that can show us more about each of the team members, and I definitely don't like this. The case is the same on their website. Only images with rows, without any links. This is a big minus for me. I'm almost close to giving up on this project because you can start the pitch deck with your team and then not give more info about it. It just doesn't sound good to me. From the explanation of the game, I don't see anything new or unique here, except the thing that they use Unreal Engine 5, even though I'm not sure that they are the only crypto game that will use that. So another minus for me here. From another side, the designs are pretty good and I can't say anything about that. I like the concept of the homes and the abyss and the worlds that will expand. This should keep players busy and attached to the game. But is this enough to make it a top game? I don't know. You should answer this question by yourself. Health and energy bars that they'll use in the game should be coming from top games like Diablo. So this is definitely a good thing. The opportunity to rent your character to earn rewards is definitely a good concept and can attract some players together with conjuration and fusion options. It seems like these abyss fragments will have a really important part in the game. So if you plan to join the game, you should look forward to them. Adding mini-games inside the main game is something that can keep players engaged and excited. I have really enjoyed playing games that have such features, so this is probably the first thing that I like in the game together with the graphics. And choosing Polygon for the game transactions is a really good choice, especially because of its fees and speed. The tokenomics are pretty standard, but I have noticed two things that worry me a little. First, the team has the second highest percentage, and second, there is no marketing percentage here. Maybe they'll use part of the treasury or team funds or partnerships tokens for this purpose. But we have to guess here, and I don't like this. So these two things are pushing me back from this project too. And this one is really funny. You have a domain name and you plan to build a big game and you're using Gmail as an email provider? I don't know, but this is not professional for me. You can use Gmail Workspace for managing the emails, but to have a contact email that ends with @gmail.com is strange. Now let's take a look at their roadmap. The first thing that we notice is that there are 5 phases, but no dates or deadlines. Don't like this at all. This brings a lot of uncertainty to me. There are no marketing plans mentioned on the roadmap. More uncertainty about the team plans. Let's talk a little bit about the Fabled social media. They have less than 10,000 followers on Twitter, but with an okay engagement rate, even though the comments are not showing a big excitement. Their Medium has 3 articles, and the first 2 posts have a pretty solid engagement for only 117 followers. But the last one has been posted on 2nd of February, and so far it doesn't have any engagement. Not a very good sign about their community. Let's talk about their Discord. They have more than 10,000 members there, with a good engagement, and I have noticed something really interesting there. On the roadmap, that they have posted something that we can't find on their website. On phase 2, we can see initiate marketing strategies. This is definitely something new and we can't find it anywhere else except on Discord. So in conclusion, I can say that there is a lot of uncertainty in this project and a lot of guessing needed in order to understand the whole picture. With not much information about the team members and their marketing plans, with nothing fancy or innovative in the game concept, and the second highest percentage goes to the team, this is definitely a highly risky investment for me. But of course, you should do your own research and decide if the Fabled is for you. So these have been my thoughts about your game. Now it is your turn to do your own research and decide if you should invest or not. So this is all from me. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.